Hi guys, welcome to my channel. From the previous video, I demonstrated how to define the node coordinate of a 2D frame or a beam. On this section, on this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to define the member or the element of the frames. And to do so, you just go two options as well. You go the first one to click on the members on the toolbar buttons, or to go on the input and select the member, and this dialog box will pop up, and you have option. You need to define the materials if you want to go doing a steel frame or concrete beam, a concrete structure. We can select, if you select steel, you have to choose what type of section you want to use, and if you add section, and you select your the corresponding section from the drop-down list. For instance, we can choose this element, anyone that we want, and after clicking the add element, then you need to select the start and end node, start and end node, start and end node. That we finish our input. You could also select concrete. This is just and you can select different section, and after clicking the add element, you can also proceed by doing the same, selecting the node, the start at the end node of the element. That's it guys for this section.